Vet Tech is a knowledge-based, hands-on, workforce-ready, skills-based program. Angel Jordan, DVM, Program Director of Veterinary Technology. So our students learn over 700 essential skills, and that ranges from proper restraint of animals to anesthesia during surgery and even assistance with surgery for the veterinarian. Pretty easy what sets our program apart. ASU-Beebe has the only AVMA accredited veterinary technology program in the state of Arkansas, so we are one of one.
I'm Hope Branch, and I'm a second year in ASU-Beebe's Veterinary Technology program. When I was younger, I always wanted to be a veterinarian. Life happened, I got married, I had kids. I actually ended up working at the Humane Society in my town. Kind of reignited that love, that passion, like I want to work with animals. So I started seeing what was out there that wasn't, an 8-year doctorate program, and I found this. The best part, I think, is connecting with a variety of people. We're different ages, we're from different places, but this is our passion. We're all here because we want to help animals.
Angela Dunlap, DVM owner at Beebe Veterinary Hospital. So as a local veterinarian, I've taken in many of the students from the Vet Tech program to finish their preceptorships and prior to graduation and hitting the real world, and have also had the opportunity to hire many of them after graduation to come on full-time to be a CVT in the clinic.